Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to my channel. So hope you all are doing good. So this video is going to be very important for all the teachers who are currently teaching online or recording videos for YouTube, okay, so or any other software. So I'm sharing a whiteboard that I'm currently using. It's a very amazing, it has got amazing features. So let me talk about this whiteboard that I'm currently using. So it has got amazing features. Let me discuss each one of the feature with you. So first of all, you will download it from the Google. You will write download viewboard, then you will click on this download viewboard. Okay, then there are many versions for this my viewboard. If you are using your mobile phone, then you will download it from the Play Store. It's available there. And if you are using your desktop, you can download whiteboard for Windows 64-bit. So you will click on this. After clicking, it will automatically be available on your screen like this. So this icon will be available on the screen of your desktop. Now when we will click on this whiteboard, so this window will appear, okay, on your screen. This window will appear. So this is your viewboard whiteboard. Okay, so it has one amazing features. So I will provide the link of this whiteboard in the description. Also I will provide the writing pad that I'm currently using. I'm using the XP pen. I'm currently using the XP pen. That's also amazing. Okay, you can also use that XP pen. I can decrease its thickness. So I'm currently using XP pen Deco 02 version 2. Okay, so this is an amazing, this is also a good, very nice writing pad. So you should have a writing pad. Then what is next? Now you can write, let's suppose I'm writing my name. So this will appear like this. If you want to change the color of your pen, so let's suppose we'll take the blue color. So my name. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video to all the teachers. So let's talk about all the features of this. So this is our eraser. If we want to erase, it has multiple functions of erasing. Let's suppose if you want to erase this two only, then you will click on this. Next there is this outline erasing. That means if you want to, let's suppose if you want to erase this, you will outline this 02V, it will get automatically erased. Then there is another, if you want to, let's suppose there are number of pages, so you can page wise also clear your data. Okay, then you have this one function. So this function, this will clear everything on your whiteboard. So okay, so I can retrieve my data by clicking Ctrl Z. Okay, so now this, what is this? This is the finger which can point to a data. Okay, you can just place it like you can move your data here and there. Okay, and this whiteboard is very useful for all the teachers who are teaching math. Okay, who will find the teachers who finds very difficult to teach mathematics online. So here is a alternative to all of you. So what will you do? There are multiple features of this whiteboard. Let me show you. First of all, if you want to change the color of the background, you can change it by, let's suppose, by taking your color black. So you can change it. Okay, so I will clear all the data. So if you want to change the color, let's suppose green. Okay, you can change the color also green. Okay, let me take the first of all, so I will take here yellow. Okay, so I will take the yellow marker. Now you want to, let's suppose you want to draw the shapes. So here you can also add the browser. If you want to show some slide, show some knowledge, show something on the internet, you can also use that option here. Okay, so next there is a option, this magic box. It's called the magic box. Okay, so there are number of applications in this. How many? Let's suppose you want to add watch. Okay, let's suppose you are you have written here a question. Let's suppose I have written a question, x square plus y square is equal to, and I'm giving the time 1 second, 1 minute. So you can count here. So you can add this as well. Okay, so this is, you can cut it. So next, what is the next function? You can add scale. There is a scale as well. Like I will show you how to draw a line. So this you will draw line like this. Okay, so you can tilt the scale in any direction you want. So this is a very nice software, very nice software. I personally like this software very much. Okay, so there is another thing, that's Setsquare. Okay, so I will show you how to use this. Okay, so there is Setsquare, you can use this also. Okay, so this is my Setsquare. Okay, so this is my Setsquare, so I can use this also. So here are number of functions available for a mathematics teacher. You can teach easily your students online. Okay, so next function, what is the next function? Let's suppose I will draw a line. So where is that option? So you can draw a line here. So there is an option of lines. Okay, you will choose multiple number of lines. Okay, let's suppose you want to show an angle, right angle. Okay, so this is the right angle. Let me change the color of it. So this is our right angle. At ease you can draw anything. At ease, this is at ease. Let's suppose you want to add new page to it, so you will add a new page. Okay, so let's suppose we'll draw a simple line. These are lines, various number of lines यहाँ पे देकर है, यहाँ पे एक arc भी देकर है. This is our arc. You can use the arc as well. Okay, so there are number of functions in this. So I will draw the line, let's suppose. Okay, so let me draw this line, and let's suppose I will do one thing. I will draw this line as well. Let's suppose if you want to calculate this angle, how will you calculate this angle? There is also a protractor. You can use the protractor for measuring this. So let's measure this. So you will place this here. So it is clear that it is 25 degrees. So I will write here 25. So this is very easy software, easy to use. So this video is going to be very useful for all the teachers. Please share it to all your colleagues. Let's suppose you want to draw a circle of some dimension. Okay, how to draw the circle? Let me show you in the another slide. I will draw a circle. Okay, so I will use this compass. Okay, so let's suppose now you want to, let's suppose draw a circle of 6 centimeters. So here you can see the dimensions are also given, so you can use the 6 centimeter accordingly, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay, so 9.1 is the maximum that you can draw. So let's suppose I will draw 6 centimeter circle, 6 cent radius जिसका होगा 6 centimeter. So what will we do? We'll do like this. Okay, so this is very easy to use. Let's suppose there are number of functions you want to let's suppose you want to graph. If you want to plot a graph, how will you do it? Let's suppose I will show in the next slide how will you add a graph. So this is our graph. This is our graph. You can easily plot your lines over there. Okay, if you want to, let's suppose you want to do plot a point. So you will just plot here point. Okay, so here is your point, here is your point. Okay, so you can do wonders in this board. This is a very amazing board. So here, let's suppose, so if you want to draw a line, let's suppose you can draw a line. Okay, so this is a graph also. So this function is very useful for all the teachers out there who are teaching online. Okay, let me show you another function of this. We have cubes also well, magnifiers as well. Okay, this is another function. Okay, now what is the next? This is another function. You can also use the you can also record this, the lecture. You can record it as well. Okay, there is an option of OBS virtual camera. Okay, this is my another software. You can download this as well. Okay, now what is next? This contains all the things. Let's suppose you want to draw a cube or cuboid. So here is 3D shapes. If you want to add the 3D shapes, here is that. Let's suppose I will draw. So isn't this amazing? Wow, this is amazing. With this you can do wonders. You will be amazed at seeing the functions of this software. Very good. उसके बाद अगर हमको pyramid डालना होगा, so this is our pyramid. Wow, triangular pyramid. Let's suppose we want to draw some more 3D figures. Let's suppose you want to draw frustum of a cone. So this is our frustum of a cone. Let's suppose you want to draw another diagram. Let's suppose you want to draw a cylinder. So this is our cylinder, easily understandable. Okay, let's suppose you want to draw a sphere. So this is our sphere. Okay, so in the next page I will show you how there are numerous applications. Let's suppose I will show you let's suppose if you want to add table, so okay, so you can add table grids. Okay, so you can now add your data as well. So you can write here data. Let's suppose if you want to add 3 4 2 1 2 6 6 minus 1 0, whatever the data is, you can add your data. Next is very important function, that is you can add the squares as well. Squares, let's suppose you will you want to draw a right angle triangle, so you don't have to just put the lines, you will just do one thing. Here are the dimensions of this triangle as well. You can see here is 61 degree, 90 degree and 29 degree. The length of the sides is also given, so you can accordingly choose according to your question. So this is a very good software. Okay, so you can also draw a number of things. Let's suppose you want to draw a circle, so this is my circle of any dimension. This is showing the radius as well. Okay, so this, by this you will be also able to draw your circles, everything. This has everything in it. Okay, so this is another. Okay, this is how to fill it. Okay, next is, so I have shown you everything how to use this software. Now the next part, if you want to add any PDF file, let's suppose I want to add a PDF file. So how will you add this PDF file? So what will we do? So first of all, I'll change the color of this. Okay, so this is the option to add your files. Let's suppose I want to add some files, so I'll get to that file. So let's suppose I'll choose some file. Let's suppose I will choose a file. Let's suppose some file. Let's suppose this file. You have to just select the file. Okay, this can't be imported. Okay, we'll choose the next one. Okay, this one. If you want to import any PDF file or any other format, any image you want to import in your whiteboard, you can easily import that. You will see in a while. So here is our PDF. You can magnify it, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can do number of things. Here are, I will show you what can you do. So there is a lock option. Okay, so you can easily see there's a lock option here. So there are number of options. You want to cut anything, you want to draw, there are number of options. Now the next important part, whatever you have written on your whiteboard or whatever the color of the board is, my board is blackboard. So whatever I have written, I can also export it. It means that I can save this file. So let me show you how to save this file. So you will easily, there is an option of export. You'll click on this, and let's suppose I want to add it in documents. Okay, so let's suppose I want to save it as a PDF. So let's suppose I will name it demo. So it gets automatically stored in our data, in our storage device. Okay, so this is very good software. So you can share all these things. Now you can share these notes with your students, and students will not be forced to write down all the things. Okay, so students will have a choice to write down the things on the board. So I will show you the document that I saved. Where is it? So let me show you the document that I saved. That is in documents. I saved it in documents. I will show you. This is my documents, and then I will find the demo. This is my demo file. You can easily access this file, demo file, and you will open this demo file. I have opened it. Okay, so this is my file. You can easily share it with your students. See, everything that I have written on the board gets automatically stored in the form of PDF. So you can export your data, you can import your data. So this is going to be a very funny thing, very easy. You can easily understand. You will be easily able to teach anything that you want. You will be easily able to draw. If you want to draw something, it's very easy to draw on this whiteboard. So its name is Viewboard. So I personally suggest to you that use this board. This is a very fine board. So I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please share it and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay, thank you so much.